Alright, check this out. We got a bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. This is the new Infinity EX. It's my first time using the bird's eye view to park this thing on a lift in my shop. So here it goes. I'm about to shift it in reverse. Remember, you should never operate a freaking phone while driving or operating a vehicle. That is and here we go. Yet another perfect lift. Bam. Setup. This was an educational tip for you guys, or lesson, I should say, on bird's eye view in the new Infinity.